Thank you, Andy. Thank you for the introduction, and thank you to my fellow candidates, Stephen and Darlene, for being here today. Thank you, members of the media. Ladies and gentlemen, what a great turnout here this morning for a press conference. This is a good sign, I think. It's a great day to be here in Montague the Beautiful for this announcement of our party's tax policy. Islanders have the lowest disposable income in the country. Islanders also have the highest effective personal income tax rate in the country. Each year, the government collects over $800 million in taxes and fees from Prince Edward Islanders. Despite that, the current government has brought in 8 straight unbalanced budgets and added more than $1 billion to the provincial debt. Even with historically low interest rates, the interest on our debt is now the third largest line item in our budget. This year's budget estimate sets aside over $128 million for interest on the debt. That's more than the budget of any department in government other than health and education. Just think about that. Our third largest expenditure. The reckless spending of the last 8 years has limited the financial options at our province's disposal. That's how Islanders ended up with the HST. Another broken promise of this government and a dividend of their poor financial management. Now, there's no question that government needs tax revenue to provide important public services. However, punitive tax policies hurt Islanders in need and they stifle economic growth. We need a new direction for tax fairness in PEI. Our new government will bring in targeted tax measures to restore fairness for Islanders and spur economic growth. We can assist low-income Islanders to keep more of their hard-earned money to help improve their quality of life. We can support island charities who do so much good work in our communities. We can spur badly needed economic growth. We can also provide broad-based tax relief to Islanders. Currently, island charities have the lowest HST rebate in Canada at 35%. The rebate level in other Atlantic provinces stands at 50%. Our new government will increase the HST rebate for charities on Prince Edward Island to the regional average of 50%. Our new government will also increase the our government will also make changes to automobile inspections. As it stands now, annual automobile inspections are required on Prince Edward Island no matter the age of the vehicle. Our new government will eliminate the requirement for automobile inspections on vehicles newer than 3 years old. Promoting active lifestyles for island youth can have a tremendous long-term benefit for our physical and our fiscal health. Healthier, active Islanders place less demand on our healthcare system, saving taxpayers money. That's why our new government will introduce a children's fitness tax credit modeled on the current federal tax credit program. When the current government broke its promise and brought in the HST, it had a negative impact on island families. In particular, the HST nearly tripled the taxes that Islanders pay on electricity. This has reduced the amount of disposable income island families have to spend or invest elsewhere. That's why our new government will rebate the provincial portion of the HST on residential electricity. This rebate will apply to the primary residents of island homeowners and renters who pay for their own electricity. For the average Islander, the average island homeowner, this rebate will mean annual savings of approximately $140. That's $140 for the average Islander, ladies and gentlemen, in your pocket savings. For For homeowners who also heat their home with electricity, the annual savings will be even greater. This is real tax savings, ladies and gentlemen, real money in your pocket. Our new direction for tax fairness will give tax relief to islanders and spur economic growth. It can be done. Working together, it will be done. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.